In the Wall Street world of big personalities, Bernard Madoff did not stand out. He was low-key, understated. His business card had no title. Friends say he was shy. But inside was the drive of a highly competitive person.
There's a need to prove to the world that I am somebody powerful. I am so intelligent. I am so respected by the rest of the world.
Madoff earned respect. In the 1970s and 80s, he built an innovative, high-tech trading firm, correctly anticipating that the buying and selling of stocks would become computerized. The Madoff firm traded for big retail brokers like Fidelity and Charles Schwab, stealing volume from the New York Stock Exchange. He impressed trading expert Jim Angel.
Here was a very intelligent man who knew this business really well and who also was very driven to succeed.
Madoff was successful. But matching buy and sell orders is not a glamour job on Wall Street, not like managing other people's money. He bolstered his reputation by becoming non-executive chairman of the NASDAQ stock market in 1990, 91, and 93. At that point, Madoff was earning tens of millions of dollars. He owned properties that dwarfed his 1970s home in Roslyn, New York.
Here's somebody who didn't need to start a scam to become a multimillionaire many times over. And yet, apparently, there must have been some flaw in his makeup that led him to get into this mess and to dig himself in deeper and deeper.
Madoff graduated in 1960 from Long Island's Hofstra College before it became a university with a major in political science. One investor told the Wall Street Journal that Madoff confessed to him this year, "I wish I had gone to Wharton or Stanford." Madoff lacked a pedigree. He was not an alumnus of a prestigious school, but at the Palm Beach Country Club and other social circles, he created an aura of exclusivity by selectively choosing whose money he would manage, in effect creating a velvet rope like a chic nightclub.
Madoff made it feel as if it was an exclusive club. And that's how he sucked his people in. That's how he got them to go into this. And it was a fantastic, brilliant job of marketing.
Madoff reported steady annual returns, 10 to 18%, year in, year out, never seeming to lose.
That determines whether you're a success or failure. They get their identity from how solid their returns are.
Bernie Madoff joined the board of Yeshiva University, then became chairman of its business school. His prominence kept investors from questioning his success, even those whose monthly account statements were pure fiction. Last month, Madoff even reported to them that cash was held in Fidelity's Spartan U.S. Treasury money market fund. Fidelity says it hasn't had a fund by that name for 3 years. Several people who know Bernie Madoff say his saga reminds them of a Greek tragedy. Just like Icarus, who tried to fly too close to the sun, Bernie Madoff destroyed himself in his never-ending quest for success and respect. Even his lawyer tells CNN, this is a tragedy. For CNNMoney.com, I'm Alan Chernoff.